Hello everyone, I'm Henry from Songu Laser. Today I want to give you the details introduction of our MACH4020 fiberlaser machine with 20 kilowatt bevel cutting function. Now let's start from the auxiliary machine first. This is the voltage stabilizer or regulator. This one is used to ensure the stable power supply for the laser source and the whole machine. You can see the figure here is 150 kVA and also the big size of this regulator. The reason is this stabilizer is worked together with the fiberlaser source, 20 kilowatt fiberlaser source. If for the small power, for 6 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt or smaller, the size of this stabilizer will be smaller also. And one important thing is this one must be installed by our professional technicians. This is the 20 kilowatt fiberlaser generator. Normally in the overseas market, the customer prefer the IPG laser source. Later I will show you in another machine. Let's go. This is the IPG laser source. In the overseas market, it is popular because it has the global warranty policy. Now this is the working fiber, the yellow wires. It's a little bit fragile, so take care it, don't break it. My personal suggestion is you'd better put this laser generator in the AC room to make sure this one can serve you longer life. This is the water chiller. Please fill in with the distilled water and replace the distilled water every 3 months. Now this is the dual temperature control water chiller. You can see these small pipes for the laser head and also this big one for the laser source. And please check the water level every day before you turn on the machine. And then you can see the filter screen. Please remember to clean this screen every week. But when it's blocked, please clean it immediately. And all the other detailed training, our professional technicians will give you the training at your site. This is the hydraulic station work for this hydraulic lifting shuttle tables. But this one is only available for the Mach and the Wind models. Now we move to the electronic control cabinet. Here is the independent AC work only for the control cabinet. Okay. Here is the AC window and here is the strong airflow to cooling down the whole electronic control cabinet. This is the main power switch, the breakers, the safety sensor modular, the Beckhoff SCAT IO modular. This one is the Precision focus point control board, and this is the height controller. This blank box is the frequency converter to control the shuttle table motor. Here are the power supply to convert the AC 220 to DC 24, and this is the driver for the bevel cut unit. Look at this small beautiful Beckhoff IPC. Even though it has a very small body but has a strong computing ability. Here you can see 4 powerful Beckhoff drivers to drive the alpha director servo motors. Why is it so big? Because only these powerful drivers can help to reach 2.4 gigabyte acceleration speed on the machine. Here is the power transformer to convert the 3-phase 380 volt to single phase 220 volt. And this one is the monitor controller. Here is the servo transformer to supply the driver. And this one is the current filter. Here is the whole electronic control cabinet introduction. This is the pneumatic control system of the Mach model. And you can see this part is made by brass. Here you can see this is the lubrication oil pumps of this machine. It will lubricate the whole machine automatically. Here is the monitor display and the touch screen for the Beckhoff system. And this is the remote controller for the machine. Now let's show you the bevel cut of this machine. This is the Precision cutting head, and here is the Italian bevel cut modular. Here is the strong, powerful alpha direct soul motor, and you can see we separated the working fiber cables outside of the wires chain, and this one is easy to replace the working fiber if necessary in the future. The basement is made by the casted aluminium, and the gantry is the extruded aviation aluminium gantry, and I will show you the details design of the gantry later. And this gantry enjoys lightweight and high rigidity. To achieve fast running speed, we equip this machine with the alpha rack and pinion system and the rack source rail guide. Now I want to show you a very small details of the machine designs. This wiring, clean wiring management can ensure the machine long-term running stability. We separate this machine into many small zones, and why we make these designs. So for example, when the laser head moves to this area, all the other zones will be closed, and only this zone, the air cylinder, will help to open a small window, helps to effectively extract the smoke and the dust away. For all the high power laser machines, we cover the frame with the graphite board to ensure the heat will not transfer on the machine body and ensure the machine long-term running stability. Here is all the brief introduction of the MACH4020 with bevel cutting. For the other details, our professional technicians will give you the training at your site. Thank you.